Hello, good morning. Happy Friday on a Saturday. We're gonna do 15-minute Friday. You guys know I'm running behind this week, but we're still doing it. 15-minute Friday. So, what's the concept? Oh, if you're new, I'm Amber. Hi, welcome. Happy to have you. We do lots of fun paper stuff and crafting and junk journal stuff, just many things. And we play together and we have fun. So, what's the concept for 15-minute Friday? When you're in a hurry, it's so easy to say, I don't have time. I don't have time to sit down and create. I don't have time to craft. I don't have time to take for myself to just go, just chill, sit down and do. So that's what this is. This is, you only need 15 minutes. What can we make in 15 minutes? If that's all you've got, fine, do it anyway. You know what? And if you don't finish, also fine. Pick it up next time. But a handful of minutes to sit down and just create is so helpful on so many levels. So, I don't have a stopwatch because it's on my phone, which I'm using to record. So I just keep an eye on my clock and we get going and see what we can do in 15 minutes. So before we start the time, let's make some tags today. What I'm thinking is minor grunge, a little bit of stamping, a couple of different papers for collaging, and I've got this book of stickers, and I really don't use any of the ones with sentiments, but why not? Let's do it. So today we're gonna do some tags with some pretty foiled sentiments, little bit of sticker collage, and some paper collage. So yeah, that is what we're going to be up to today. So just to double check to make sure that I'm not cheating, because my clock doesn't have minutes. What are we at? We're at about 2:30. So we'll keep an eye and we will get. Okay, sorry about that. I had to chat with the family member for a moment. Okay, so here's our 15 minutes. Let's get started. So I'm going to take these little tags today. And I'm going to learn my lesson from last time and not get super overzealous. So let's pick one. And freak myself out trying to get this all done in 15 minutes. No idea what we're going to use for a sticker, but doesn't matter. So let's just start grunging, and I want it to be light. So I'm going to go with antique linen. And I'm just going to maybe that's too light. I think it is. Okay, let's go tea dye. Let's go tea dye. It's not as light, but let's see if we can just. Maybe we'll just put a sticker down there in that bottom corner. All right, now let's do our edges good. I'm hoping we can do more than one. I'm pretty sure we can, but last time I got myself in such a panic. All right, so we've got pinks and purples and blues. So I thought we could do a little bit of a colored collage. And those have foil, so we could even use some of this pretty paper. So let's go with purple. I was going for kind of a straight line, which clearly I didn't get, but that's okay. I mean, we don't have to have a straight line, or we can just trim her down a little bit. That's what our fingers are for. And we'll cut off the excess when we're done. So I didn't think I was going to need my glue book, but I do. So let's get him out. Move the scissors. Oops. How about some actual glue on the stick? On this, yeah, that's what I mean. Okay. I want to go just inside because I do want to see a little bit of that grungy edge. Maybe. If it will cooperate. There we go. There we go. Am I all the way to the edge? Looks like it. I'm gonna let that dry for a minute so we don't get glue all over. Actually, I changed my mind and I want this underneath. So we're not gonna let that dry a minute. We're going to put this on there. And then we're gonna put that back. Add a little more glue. It's still pretty sticky. All right. I think we're good. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Now, how about a little stamping? Just a little something to make it interesting. Let's go. I have these few stamps that when I use them, I just stick them up in the little, oops. Oh, come on, don't be like that. We don't want them to not be sticky. We ain't got time to wash these today. No time for washing. We're trying to hurry. Little numbers. So cute. I just love them. How about one right there? Does that say 1428? It sure does. 1428, my address growing up. It's meant for me. How about a circle? Why not? Let's do a little circle up here. Subtle, but still nice. Okay. And we're going minimal. I would have liked it if that was inked, but it's not. Come on, I need to get glue on the edge. There we go. All right, let's pick. What do we want? What do we want? How about happiness blooms from within? That is true. True statement. Wise sticker book. True statement, wise sticker book. How about, right, well, that's where it landed, so that's where it's going. Right there. Cute. And what else? We need something else little. Ooh, how about a dragonfly? Or is he too big? Here, this guy. Seriously, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. There you go. Little gold butterfly in the corner. Scissors. Here we are, scissors. Let's turn this upside down here. There and there. And there. And we could even, how about, let's this is just kind of begging for something right there, I think. What about a thin washi? Little flowers? It's begging me for some thin washi. I just can feel it. I can feel it. Just gonna snag that right across the top of my glue, like so. Oh, I glued way more than I needed. And we're just gonna go right there. Oops. Glue on my fingers. Give that a nice press. See, now tell me that's not pretty, guys. And like 5 minutes. We could fold that over. Why not? There's still plenty of room to write on the back, and this can go this way. So just a little extra tiny bit of interest. Yeah, the angle's just a little off, but that doesn't matter. I don't care. Add a little more grunge to the back. And I just stuck my sticker book right in my ink pad. We'll go like this. And pink ribbon. Shall we pink ribbon the top? Why not? We can add a little pink. I do this every time. I've got a million feet of this, and then I cut it short to not waste, and then I have to fumble. Just make it longer. That's hoarding behavior right there. All right, there you go. Pretty, huh? One down. That one was 10 minutes, but I bet we can get another one. I bet we can do another one quick. Oh, again with my ribs. Okay. Less thinking this time because we've got everything we need right in front of us. Thinking here. And maybe this one, we do a clip on the top instead of a ribbon. All right, let's go with, how about blue? Let's do a bluish background here. Ooh, how about this blue? That's pretty. Let's do it across the bottom this time. Little blue collage on the bottom. We could go with this paper up the side. Yep, let's do it. And this time we're gonna ink it because we're paying better attention. Glue book off to the side because there's nothing exciting about gluing. Oops. And shall we go clear to the top? Let's go clear to the top, and we'll go clear to the edge. Whoops. Guess we're not going clear to the edge. No worries. And we can poke that hole back up, or we can leave it covered because we are going to put on a clip. Yep. Trim around the edges when we're done. If you'll come off my glue page. 2 minutes. 3 minutes? I think I had to pause for... That was just at the beginning though. We were just under 3 minutes when we started. So, on my phone. And we're right at 15 right now, so I think we are all good. Let's just fold that puppy over. And we'll have a twofer collage. All right, so there is that. Let's add a little stamping. And then we'll pick our stickers. Got this on there, so we're gonna use it. Right there. Oh, he's upside down. Whoops. Oh well. Nobody died. It's fine. Nobody died. And when nobody died, it's okay. That is how I sometimes judge if things are going okay or not. We were having a discussion at work this week about, well, how do we feel like it's going? I'm like, well, I haven't heard anybody cry yet, so we must be fine. And she said, well, that's good. And I said, yep. No crying. If we don't have any crying, things are going just fine. How about a little tag? I better not be getting too into this stamping or I'm going to end up running out of time. All right, done with that. Let's pick our sticker. What do we think, guys? We've got Own the Day. And I need to pick before too long. Oh gosh. We're going Own the Day because we have like less than a minute. Own the Day. Can you see it on here? Not as well. We're going to put it right there. And we need one more sticker down at the bottom. Something. Own the Day and Believe You Can. That goes together, right? And it's there. Are these open? These are. Ta-da! There we go. Oh, it's not centered. Oh, we just made it. We just made it. I feel like it needs a piece of washi. I'm cheating. We're cheating, and we're going to go like this. No. We're not cheating. We're just going to leave it. Okay, guys, we did it. 15-minute Friday. These are really fun. I think I'll sit down and bake more because I got more than 15 minutes today. Where'd the other one go? Oh, it's right here. There we go. There's our creations for our 15-minute Friday. This one's a little hard to see. Maybe we could pull that off and put something lighter underneath. But I still think it's pretty, and I still think that it's totally worth sitting down to make a few things. So thank you for hanging out with me. We totally did it. And we'll catch you guys next time. See you soon. Bye.